Imagine cruising down the highway in a truck that's not just a powerhouse of power and performance, but also a sanctuary of comfort. The future of luxury pickups is here, blending rugged muscle with first-class luxury. Whether you're hauling equipment to a job site, towing your boat to the lake, or simply enjoying a family road trip, these trucks offer the best of both worlds. Today in this video, we're exploring the top 10 luxury pickup trucks that perfectly blend rugged power with luxurious comfort. From number 10 to number 1, these trucks are set to redefine what you expect from a pickup in 2025. Number 10. Ford F-150 Platinum 2025. Starting with number 10, we have the Ford F-150 Platinum 2025. The F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades, and the Platinum trim takes that legendary status to new heights. What sets this truck apart is how Ford blends rugged power with premium luxury. The PowerBoost hybrid system under the hood delivers 437 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, making it not just a workhorse, but a vehicle that pampers you in comfort. Whether you're towing up to an impressive 14,000 pounds or cruising down the highway, the F-150 Platinum doesn't just work hard, it feels like a rolling office. Step inside and you'll find massaging leather seats, a 14.5-inch touchscreen, and an interior that can compete with any luxury SUV. This is the truck for those who want it all power, comfort, and style. Number 9. Ram 1500 Limited 2025. Coming in at number 9, the Ram 1500 Limited 2025 stands out as one of the most luxurious and capable pickups on the market today. With a bold design featuring chrome accents and 20-inch wheels, it grabs attention on the road. Under the hood, you have the choice between a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine or the Hurricane Inline-6, delivering up to 540 horsepower. The 24-way adjustable massaging seats and 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system ensure that every journey feels more like a luxury road trip than a workday commute. Towing capacity is 12,750 pounds, so this truck can handle anything you throw at it. The Ram 1500 Limited has been setting a new benchmark for what a luxury truck can achieve, blending rugged durability with an unparalleled level of refinement. Number 8. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country 2025. Next up at number 8, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country 2025 brings a fresh level of luxury to this iconic workhorse. Known for its reliability and strength, the Silverado 1500 High Country takes luxury to new heights with a refreshed grille and chrome accents that give it a commanding presence on the road. Step inside and you're greeted with perforated leather seats, real wood trim, and an interior that's both sophisticated and functional. The 13.4-inch touchscreen offers seamless integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected no matter where the road takes you. Powered by either the 6.2-liter V8 engine or 3.0-liter diesel, the High Country offers a 13,300-pound towing capacity, combining power with luxury in perfect harmony. If you need a truck that can work hard but look good doing it, this is the one. Number 7. Honda Ridgeline Black Edition 2025. At number 7, the Honda Ridgeline Black Edition 2025 offers a unique take on luxury pickups. While it may not be as big as some of the other trucks on this list, the Ridgeline Black Edition delivers on both utility and comfort in a way that other mid-size trucks simply can't match. Its sleek gloss black accents and 18-inch black alloy wheels give it an understated, stylish look perfect for urban environments. Inside, you'll find heated and ventilated leather seats, a 9-inch touchscreen, and Honda's signature in-bed trunk, offering incredible practicality for carrying tools, gear, or weekend luggage. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 280 horsepower, the Ridgeline Black Edition offers 5,000 pounds of towing capacity for light hauling. Starting at around $48,000, this truck offers a blend of luxury, reliability, and versatility for everyday use, whether commuting or heading out on a weekend adventure. Number 6. GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate 2025. At number 6, the GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate 2025 takes the Denali name to new heights of luxury. The chrome grille and 22-inch wheels give this truck an aggressive yet sophisticated look that commands attention from every angle. Inside, it's like stepping into a high-end hotel suite with full-grain leather seating, 16-way power massaging seats, and an alpine umber wood interior that adds a touch of class. The Bose premium audio system provides concert-quality sound, while the 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers 420 horsepower, or you can opt for the all-new electric variant with 754 horsepower. With 13,000 pounds of towing capacity, the Sierra Denali Ultimate offers all the power you need, wrapped in one of the most luxurious truck interiors available today. Number 5. Toyota Tundra Capstone 2025. Next up at number 5, we have the Toyota Tundra Capstone 2025, a truck that blends Toyota's legendary reliability with luxury features that rival the best in the business. The iForce Max Hybrid 5.6 engine offers 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, giving it impressive power while maintaining 20 miles per gallon combined. The Tundra Capstone stands out with its premium leather seating, authentic wood accents, and 14-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, making the interior feel more like a luxury SUV than a rugged work truck. With 10,340 pounds of towing capacity, the Tundra Capstone is powerful enough to handle most tasks, but comfortable enough for long family trips. If you want a truck that blends utility and comfort in a sleek, modern package, the Tundra Capstone is a top contender. Number 4. Ford F-150 Platinum 2025. At number 4, the Ford F-150 Platinum 2025 takes everything great about the F-150 and adds an extra level of sophistication and luxury. The PowerBoost Hybrid V6 engine delivers 437 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, while still offering an impressive 25 miles per gallon combined. The F-150 Platinum features massaging leather seats, a 15-inch touchscreen, 15 and all the modern tech you could ever need, making it feel like an executive lounge on wheels. With a 14,000-pound towing capacity, this truck doesn't just haul heavy loads, it does so with ease and comfort. Whether you're working hard or relaxing on the road, the F-150 Platinum strikes the perfect balance between power and luxury. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country 2025. At number 3, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country 2025 brings all the luxury features and powerful performance you'd expect from Chevrolet. The 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers 420 horsepower, and with a 13,300 pounds towing capacity, it can haul heavy loads with ease. Inside, the High Country trim offers heated leather seats, real wood accents, and a 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, making it one of the most comfortable trucks to drive. Whether you're cruising down the highway or working on a project, the Silverado High Country provides the perfect combination of power, comfort, and luxury. Number 2. Ram 1500 Limited 2025. At number 2, the Ram 1500 Limited 2025 takes luxury to the next level. The interior is simply stunning, with 24-way power adjustable seats wrapped in premium leather, a 14-inch touchscreen, and Harman Kardon audio that creates a concert-like experience on the road. Under the hood, you have the option of a 5.7-liter V8 or the Hurricane Inline 6, delivering up to 540 horsepower. The 12,750 pounds towing capacity and exceptional ride quality make it a perfect balance of power and refinement. The Ram 1500 Limited has set a new standard for what a luxury truck can be: powerful, comfortable, and ready for any challenge. Number 1. GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate 2025. Claiming number 1 is the GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate 2025. The ultimate luxury truck that blends high-end materials with serious towing power. The 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers 420 horsepower, but the all-electric variant pushes out an incredible 754 horsepower. Inside, you'll find full-grain leather seats, 16-way power massaging seats, and a premium Bose audio system that ensures every ride feels luxurious. With a 13,000-pound towing capacity, this truck offers power and comfort in equal measure. The GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate is the perfect luxury truck, offering unmatched style, performance, and capability. There you have it, the top 10 luxury pickup trucks of 2025, each offering a perfect balance of power, luxury, and capability. Whether you're hauling gear or cruising in style, these trucks are set to redefine what you expect from a luxury vehicle. If you enjoyed this video of the top luxury pickups for 2025, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing truck reviews and updates. Drop a comment below on which truck takes the crown in your eyes. We'd love to hear your thoughts.